What colors do you want?
Pink.
Pink? You want pink as well?
Yeah. I love pink.
Yes. Should we start?
No.
Yeah?
Don't get. I want to get up.
You want pink or yellow?
Yeah.
Pink and yellow.
Yeah.
How about just yellow?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We can do just 4, yeah? Something simple?
Yeah.
Using Fairy Tales Rosemary. I'm gonna brush the hair out. Let's see. And grab this piece of hair. Attach it to this one. I'm sectioning the same area. Stay still for me, please, babe. Thank you, baby. What? Do you like it? You don't like it? Why not? You want braids? Yeah. Oh, this is a cute hairstyle.